welcome back. So today I'm going to do some more annual planting. I'm going to plant up 2 pots back here by my shed, and I'm excited to get those done. As you can see, Brandon's in the background hanging up my bird feeder, which I'm super excited about. So let's head back there. I've been in the sun all day. I've already planted a bunch of annuals, but I've got a half an hour and I'm just going to get this done. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, let's look at these. Got all my stuff out here. Made a little bit of change of plans. This is what I was originally going to do. And here's what's in them. I'm going to pull all these out. I'm not going to save anything. They've done their job. As you can see, they've gotten hot and they're just ready to be done. So these are the pots I'm going to plant it up. I put new soil in them in the fall, so I'm only just going to top it up a little bit because it has sunk down. And I do have the line in here, so we're good to go with that. And I think I have the other one in here too. Let's see. Yep, this one's in here too. It's a little shorter. Might have to have an extender added to that one. But okay, let's get going on these pots. Okay, so I got those all topped off and added the biotone. Let me show you what I'm going to plant in here. So each pot I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put one of these ageretums in here. And then I'm also going to put this golden butterfly plant. I wanted to add some yellow to kind of match the flowers on the side of the shed. I love these impatiens, New Guinea impatiens. This is called Clockwork, this light pink. And then I'm doing the campfire marshmallow and the asparagus fern. I did this in them last year and I loved it so much. I'll probably actually borrow from a yard some lamium and some creeping jenny out of some of my pots and out of my yard. And so we'll see how that does. I think all of these can do well in part shade. I think that's what this one, yeah, full to part sun. And this spot's kind of interesting because they will get like sun part of the day, but most of the time they're shaded. This gets sun in the morning and this one gets sun in the evening. So I'm going to plant those up the same. So I'll keep the New Guinea impatiens because since they're the New Guinea variety, they do like a little more sun. So I'll put them each on this end so it'll get sun on that end and sun on the other side. And then I'll keep the other ones inside. So okay, let's get them planted. These will definitely be a test. I'm seeing how careful I have to be, honestly. I've heard you don't really have to be super duper careful. So make sure those roots are in there. The lamium on the shade side. Stick it in. Put some dirt around it. And voila. We'll see. We're going to see how this works, guys. We'll experiment together. Same thing on the other side. Okay, there they are, that pop of purple. Oh, I'm loving that this year. We'll see how this Lamium takes. I don't know, it's an experiment. I can always get more if it doesn't work. And this Creeping Jenny, I think they'll do fine though. It might just take a minute for them. Everything's looking a little bit sad and wilted. This was pretty dried out, but I think it'll all be just fine. I think these are gonna be so pretty. Yay, so excited to have some pots done. Okay, thanks for joining me. I also put in some potting soil under here and just like top dressed them, my little topiaries, because they really needed it. And if it seems like I'm in a hurry, I am, because I gotta go. Gotta be showered and out of my house in 10 minutes. So glad I got that done though. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.